Hello everyone, my name is Shigetomo Shimono from Team Ceramic Pro Japan. This is a very rare 1929 Rolls-Royce Phantom. The owner of this Rolls-Royce have a great collection of such cars, and all of them are Ceramic Pro protected. Now is time for this one. Let's start. Please have a look. All finished. We just fully detailed and applied Ceramic Pro on all exterior and interior surfaces, which will make this Rolls-Royce looks better than new forever. It looks incredible, amazing after Ceramic Pro. If you're interested to protect your vehicle with best protective system on the market, don't hesitate to contact us. Ceramic Pro Japan.